Today we will be going to learn superscript and subscript in HTML. Before going to start superscript and subscript, let's little bit refresh about what is superscript and what is subscript. First, we will do superscript. Here you see this algebraic formula a plus b whole square, where 2 is little bit above the normal position. A plus b is in the normal position and 2 is little bit above the normal position. Hence, 2 is known as superscript. Similarly, a square. So, the 2 is superscript plus 2ab plus b square. So, 2 is superscript. Again, next formula let's see. A minus b whole square. 2 is superscript. Similarly, a square. 2 is superscript minus 2ab plus b square. 2 is superscript. So this also we will do. And the third formula is a plus b into a minus b, where 2 is superscript, a square minus b square, 2 is superscript. These are the three algebraic formulas we will use in our HTML coding with the help of SUP tag. SUP tag in HTML is used for displaying a text above the normal position, that is superscript. So now let's start our coding. So we will write our HTML coding here in the first HTML page. So algebraic equation. And one more thing you see, such that we can see our output in a better view. That's why I have chosen font color green, size 20, and the face I have chosen Vardhana. Now we want to display our algebraic equation. Our first equation was a plus b whole square. So we will write a plus b whole square. We know 2 is superscript. So we will keep 2 inside SUB. 2 inside SUP. So hence, since SUP inside this 2 is there. So a plus b whole square, it will be displayed on the browser. Then a plus b whole square equals to a square. So again a square. So this we will do a square plus 2ab plus b square. So again 2 will be inside that. Now let's see our output. Our output is C. Algebraic equation a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now this and these two lines are coming together because we have not used any br in between these two. So after this line, this is our first program, we are learning HTML codes. After this we can add a br such that the line should be broken. Now similarly we can use a minus b whole square also. Same thing, we will copy and we will paste. Here a minus b whole square equals to a square. Here only minus 2ab plus b square. And the third one is a plus b into a minus b. So we will write a plus b into a minus b equals to a square minus b square. So a square, so square is this SUP 2 SUP, a square minus b square. Now we can check here. So a plus b, it is showing whole square equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. A minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. A plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. So this superscript effect is working here. Now we will do subscript. Now we want to show subscript. Suppose in our web page we want to display the chemical formula of carbon dioxide, CO2. Now look at the position of 2. 2 is little bit lower the normal position. Hence 2 is known as subscript. Similarly, for the equation, chemical equation this, if you want to display, where 2H2, 2 is subscript, plus O2, 2 is subscript, and 2H2O, where 2 is subscript. So if we want to display this in our web page, or suppose say twice Na plus H2SO4 is Na2SO4 plus H2. Here in H2SO4, 2 is subscript, SO4, 4 is subscript, Na2, 2 is subscript, SO4, 4 is subscript, and H2 is subscript. So this, if we want to display in our web page, we will use the tag SUB just like we have used in SUP. So now let's see how we will apply SUB tag. Now we will do subscript. In our subscript, let's first change the font color green. So let's change the color green to red, and font tag we are closing, because closing of tag is very essential. Now we want to display the chemical formula. So chemical formula of carbon dioxide is CO2. Now 2 must be in SUB tag. So 2 will be displayed as a subscript. Now let's check the output. So chemical formula of carbon dioxide is CO2. So next is, suppose following chemical equations are balanced. And here I am giving a beer. Similarly, Br I am giving here, and here we will write H2. So subscript we will copy, H2 plus O2 then we will balance the equation the way we used to write in copy or in the book we usually find. In that way we will display in our web page. So 2H2 plus O2 equals to 2H2O. So 2H2O, 2 should be subscript and O. So let's check. So 2H2 plus O2 is showing 2H2O. The The two whichever is required as subscript is coming as subscript. And the third equation that we want to display was Na2 plus H2SO4, sorry, twice Na plus H2SO4 Na2SO4 plus H2. And one here we will give for the break. So twice Na plus H2SO4 equal to NO2SO4 plus it should be H2. So H is missing. Before this, we will give one H. So this is all about our superscript and subscript. I hope you understood. Try out in your system and enjoy it. Bye bye.